Yanjiremu nende kureto chore bwagirite ati kamuritona mwarimu munini wa Mwarimu Lower Chure Secondary South Imenti Catherine Njeru nambere tietagarira wekara uniform echukuru kendo kurania na Aritwa ni aria chere nende bogete kinyani bambirite kono garuku kire mitugo yana baona okenero ntobo John Dega na ronero
Ireta njira imwe ya kuleta ngwataniro imbega gatigati ka arimo amwe na Aritwa Catherine Njeru uri munini wa mwarimu munene kire cukuru secondary ya Lower Chure nterera South Imenti arigarite bainge na njira ya kumba kwigwa agikagira nguo ce cukuru wantu cionthe irabakothia assembly na aratoriongariongite kire cukuru no tumbite kwigwa tugikomana na mwarimu uyu aumbite kwigwa agikira nguo ce cukuru.
Catherine Njeru, Mrs. Mudhuri, and I am a deputy principal here at Lower Chure Day Secondary School. I am a teacher and I teach Kiswahili and CRE. I have worn the uniform not because it is my first time. Actually, I'm used to wearing the uniform. I like associating with the students that I man. I decided to wear the uniform because I thought that students think that teachers are too harsh on them. So whether it is raining or whether it is too hot, I always encourage my students to dress equally to the task, big as I am. So if I wear the uniform, then they should also embrace it. Actually, I started in one of the schools where there was also an issue of students not wanting to wear the uniform. So when I came here, I realized that there was still the same challenge. They did not want to wear the right school uniform. And that is how I ended up wearing it. And when I'm in the uniform, they come closer to me. In case they have any challenges, they ask me.
Na kuringanira no twire turuthite kuonania ati to gwikira nguo akiche cukuru mwarimu uyu umbite kwigwa kithi na mbere na gwikira wogu indi ichumbite kuigetethere kinya ki mathomo na aratumbite kwa tukimenya ati mathomo maraumba kwigwa kithomithe cukuru ino imo maumbite kwigwa magitongoria kire kigero ke KCSE ke mwanka muthiru.
And true to the word, like you have talked about the performance, I've been here for the last 1 year and the performance of the school has improved. Kiswahili was the best performed last year in the 2024 KCSE. Actually, it was the best performed. Huo mtindo wangu wa kuvalia mavazi rasmi ya shule umechangia pakubwa katika kuwachangamsha wanafunzi na hakika kuwapa motisha ili waendelee kufanya bidii zaidi na wapende masomo. Naamini kwamba vile nawaongoza katika kuvalia mavazi rasmi ya shule na kwa mtindo unaofaa, wanaiga na kufuatilia bila kukiuka.
Ntubo munini wa mwarimu uyu munene ibumbite kwigwa Gukwiiria kinya bodi ya cukuru ino tabura mukaririgite wayo mbite kwigwa akithi na mbere na gututariria.
We are very happy to see the deputy principal wearing uniform because it is a way of bridging the gap between the student and the teacher. So with that, the students are knowing this is part of us. They are a family. Because also school is a family. We have school families. So the gap between a teacher and a student has been bridged because they are the same. So with that, it is improving their interactions and consultations and synergy in the school.
Kiripotera Lower Chure TV mbita wa John Dega.